Juba.
Hello everyone, and here we are with our fourth song, Juba. Now, before we even go over fingerings, because we do have another new note on this one, and it'll be our fifth note, I want you to look at the new note, which is right here. There's actually two of them. It's on the same place, and these notes are called C's. Now look at it carefully. Does that C look like it's on a line or a space? It's on a space. So now we have our second space note. We already had learned A before, which is on the second space. Now we have C, which is on space number 3. C is above the A space because A is on the second, C is on the third space. All right, so let's go over the other notes. First of all, we're going to just focus on these two measures, and you're going to see why in a minute. Okay, here we go. We're going to sing these two measures, and B, B, C, C, B, B, A. Notice that A is not a quarter note, it's a half note, so we're going to hold it for 2 beats. We have the same two measures again here, and a third time here. So that makes this song a whole lot easier than what it really was. So again, these two measures make up a pattern that is played 3 times. And then the last two measures, the pattern changes. So let's sing it from the beginning all the way to here. Together, sing it. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. And now we'll stop there because here's where it changes. What's the next note? It is a space note, but it's not A, it's C. And then the notes are going down. The pitches are going down to the end. C, C, B, B, A, G. I went a little slower to give you some time to look ahead. Do that again. Ready? Sing it. C, C, B, B, A, G. Let's sing it from the beginning all the way to the end. Ready? And B, B, C, C, B, B, A. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. Now it changes. C, C, B, B, A, G. Great. Feel free to go back and rewind that if you have to. Now we're going to go over the fingering for C. Now C is very similar to the fingering of D. If you remember, D is the second finger, second hole without the back. Well, C is second finger, second hole with the back. That's it. So C is like D, but with the back. Since there aren't any D's in this song, all of these notes require the thumb on the back. So let's do a little bit of what I call finger walking, okay? Going from B to C, finger B, and now finger C. B, C, B, C. So you're switching fingers. Please do not slide your B finger down for C. That is incorrect. Remember the rule that every finger is assigned to one hole only. So your first finger is only to cover the first hole or the B hole. C is for the second one, all right? Like when you finger A, it's 1, 2. Well, C is just a second. So we're going to go over the fingerings for these two measures because that is the main theme of this song. All right? Finger B, you have another B, and then C, C, B, B, A. And that's the main pattern. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. And you're going to repeat that 2 more times before the ending. All right, so let's now sing and finger the notes, everyone. Sing and finger the notes. 1, 2, sing and finger it. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. Next line. B, B, C, C, B, B, A. Now it changes. C, C, B, B, A, G. All right. Moving on to playing it. If you need to work on that again, please rewind the video and go back to just singing and fingering. All right. Remember to always blow soft and press nice and firmly when you're playing these notes. That's a B. Those are C's. All right, here we go. Playing it with me. 1, 2, soft, play. All right, hope that was not too much trouble. Now remember that when you go from here to here, you're going from A to C, right? Let's play the last two measures. Make sure we got that cleanly. Starting on the 2 C's, please. Left hand on C, of course. Ready? Last two measures, play. All right, one more time from the beginning before we end. 1, 2, beginning and soft. And that's it. That is Juba. The good news is that for the next lesson, it's going to be on Doggy Mind. You have the same 4 notes, G, A, B, and C. Obviously, they're going to be in a different pattern, but you have the same 4 notes. So make sure that you are very familiar with which one of these notes is which. Okay, so for example, this one is B. This one is A. This one over here, G, C, B, C, B, A. Make sure you are familiar by identifying these notes, so as you start reading other songs, they won't be too hard for you. Great job, everyone. Continue practicing, and we'll see you next time.